Hello everyone, and welcome to part 8 of our Parts of Speech series. In today's video, we are going to learn about conjunctions. We will cover their definition, clear explanation, practical examples, and the main types of conjunctions used in English grammar. So, without further delay, let's begin with the definition of conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins or connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. As we mentioned in the definition, a conjunction is a word that connects or joins words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. These words help us combine ideas and make our sentences clearer and more fluent. Now let's understand how a conjunction connects words with the help of examples. Here we have example. Tea and coffee are available. In this sentence, the conjunction and connects the two words tea and coffee. Both are nouns, and the conjunction joins them to show that both items are available. Another example is Ali and Ahmed are classmates. Here, the conjunction and connects the two names Ali and Ahmed. It shows that both people belong to the same group, meaning they are classmates. So, in these examples, the conjunction and is used to join two words of the same type, helping us express the idea that both things are included together. As we also discussed in the definition, a conjunction can join not only words but also phrases. A phrase is a group of words that works together in a sentence but does not contain both a subject and a verb forming a complete clause. Let's understand how conjunctions connect phrases with the help of these examples. Here we have an example. He ran fast but with difficulty. In this sentence, the conjunction but connects the two phrases ran fast and with difficulty. The word but shows a contrast between the two ideas. Although he ran fast, it was not easy for him, so the conjunction highlights the difference between speed and difficulty. Second example is she worked hard and with great interest. Here, the conjunction and connects the phrases worked hard and with great interest. The word and is used to add information, showing that she not only worked hard but also did her work with strong interest and enthusiasm. These examples show that conjunctions help connect phrases smoothly, allowing us to combine related ideas and make our sentences more detailed and meaningful. As we also mentioned in the definition, a conjunction can connect clauses. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. Conjunctions join these clauses to show a clear relationship between their ideas. Let's understand how conjunctions connect clauses with the following examples. Here we example for it. I stayed home because it was raining. In this sentence, the conjunction because connects the two clauses I stayed home and it was raining. The word because shows the reason for the action. It explains why the person stayed at home. The other example is we will go outside if the weather is good. Here, the conjunction if connects the clauses we will go outside and the weather is good. The word if shows a condition. It means that going outside depends on whether the weather is good or not. These examples show that conjunctions help us connect clauses and express relationships such as reason, condition, contrast, or addition, making our sentences clearer and more meaningful. Let's move toward some examples. The first example is Ali and Ahmed are friends. In this sentence, the conjunction and connects the two words Ali and Ahmed. It shows addition, meaning both Ali and Ahmed are included together and they share the same relationship of being friends. The other example is I stayed home because it was raining. Here, the conjunction because connects the two clauses I stayed home and it was raining. It shows the reason for the action. The sentence explains that the person stayed at home due to the rain. The third example is either you come or I will go alone. In this sentence, the conjunction either or is used to present a choice between two possibilities. It means that only one of the two options will happen, either you come along or the speaker will go alone. The last example is you can drink tea or coffee. Here, the conjunction or connects the words tea and coffee. It shows an option or alternative, meaning the person can choose one of the two drinks. These examples demonstrate how conjunctions help connect words or clauses and express relationships such as addition, reason, and choice, making sentences clearer and more structured. Now, let's move on to the types of conjunctions. In this video, we will introduce their names only, but don't worry, in the upcoming videos, we will discuss each type in detail. The main types of conjunctions are coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, conjunctive adverb. So, that wraps up our discussion on conjunctions. If you haven't watched our previous lectures on parts of speech, the links are provided in the description below, so you can easily check them out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming lessons.